Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Cobo crypto wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Cobo Wallet application from your app drawer. Once you're inside your Cobo Wallet interface, tap on the Me button at the bottom right. This will then open up your profile. From the profile page, tap on Account and Security. You will be able to come across this Log Out button. To log out of your wallet, tap on Log Out, but remember that you must remember your credential during logging into the account. If you do, go ahead and tap on Log Out, and there you have successfully logged out of your Cobo crypto wallet account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.